In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a GoHighLevel community. By the end, you'll have a branded space where your members can connect, learn, and stay engaged. Start by logging in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. Make sure you're in the correct location, not the agency view, so the settings you change apply to the right place. Once you're in, head to the left side menu and open Memberships. This is the area that powers your courses, products, and, most importantly for today, your community hub. Inside Memberships, click Communities. This is where you'll manage groups, members, and the look and feel of your community space. Now, choose Create a Community. The Communities feature in GoHighLevel gives you a private, centralized forum-style environment that lives right inside your client portal. It's designed to replace scattered conversations across social platforms with a controlled, branded space where you can post updates, host discussions, and keep members engaged without distractions. Next, add a brief description for your community. Keep it clear and welcoming. A good description explains who the community is for, what members can expect to find, and the kind of conversations you want to encourage. This is the first thing people will see, so align it with your brand voice and the value you provide. Now, upload your branding assets, a favicon, a cover image, and a logo. These aren't mandatory, but they make a big difference in how professional your community feels. Use a crisp square logo for best results, a wide cover image that looks good on desktop and mobile, and a simple favicon so your tab icon is recognizable. Keep file sizes reasonable to ensure fast loading. When you're happy with your setup, click Create Group. This saves your new community and prepares it for member access. After creating it, you'll be prompted to set the login details for your community portal if you haven't done so already. Enter your new password, following any strength requirements you see on screen. You'll then be redirected to your community page, so you can preview the experience just like a member would. Finally, confirm your password and set it. Once that's done, you'll be logged into your new community, where you can start posting a welcome message, pin guidelines, and invite members. That's it. You've built a GoHighLevel community from scratch, complete with branding and secure access. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.